everyone. I wanted to talk a little bit about your definition essay for English 101T. So you'll notice under handouts below I've posted the prompt that your English 101 teacher wrote for your definition essay. And so I wanted to go over that prompt with you today. So this essay, the final draft will be 3 to 4 pages. It's a 100-point essay, and you're actually going to write it in stages. So you'll start with a partial draft, then a peer edit draft, and then the final draft. And so looking at the assignment sheet, the goal of this paper is to help you determine what a good definition of health is for you, your family, and your community or society as a whole. And so you want to be thinking about 3 different contexts of health: your own personal health, family health, and then society health. This is a bigger issue than just an individual one, of course, so you want to be thinking big picture as well. One of the skills that we've been talking about in English 109 is the skill of synthesis, and so this essay will challenge you to synthesize the documentary called Fed Up, which I've linked on this page, and then also 2 sources or articles. Other than that, you won't be doing any other research for this paper. Again, it's 3 to 4 full pages, and of course you want to be mindful of that turnitin.com match. Always consider your audience, and here you want to consider the academic community here at Southeast Tech, as well as your instructor and your peers, since your peers will be reading this paper as well. Try to use first person, because this is your definition of health, but you really want to be careful not to use second person point of view, which is those you, your pronouns, okay? So you want to spend a little bit of time pre-writing for this essay. So what do you know about health so far? How have you thought about this term in the past? How does it relate to your family, to society, etc.? Okay? How you answer those questions will inevitably become your thesis statement. And then you also want to constantly be thinking about other ways of describing health and that definition. So what does that meaning differ based upon the context? So what it means to you might be different than what it means to your family or to society as a whole. Do we tend to maybe overuse that word, and maybe that word has kind of become something that it's not? And then also think about what have you learned as a result of this process. So in the conclusion paragraph of your paper, you want to not just summarize the content of your paper, but tell us why this issue matters to you, okay? Of course, this will be in MLA format, and as always, I encourage you to reach out with questions that you have, and my hope is to get you started with this draft, your outline. I've posted a handout to get you started on the outline. I've posted a graphic organizer, and please don't hesitate if you're having trouble to text me, call me with some questions. I'm always happy to help students. So I hope this video helped kind of make you aware of what this essay will ask you to do, and best of luck, and I look forward to reading your drafts. Thank you. Bye.